attention of the people. Cases of this mysterious disease have increased in children in North China, due to which the tension of the entire world, including India, has started increasing. Experts related to this say that there is need to keep a close watch on this situation. However, it cannot be said clearly whether the recent increase in respiratory diseases in China is a sign of the beginning of a new global infection or not. In such a situation, the Union Health Ministry said that it is keeping a close eye on the spread of H9N2 virus, which causes respiratory disease in children in China. The government has assured that India is prepared for any emergency arising out of the current influenza situation in China. The Health Ministry has also said that India faces little threat from avian influenza and respiratory diseases detected in China. Notably, China recently informed the World Health Organization (WHO) that cases of respiratory diseases are increasing, attributing it to the removal of COVID-19 lockdown-related restrictions. China appears to be downplaying the severity of the situation, similar to its approach during the COVID-19 pandemic. A week later, media reports indicated cases of an unknown pneumonia in children in northern China. The WHO has sought detailed information from China regarding whether these cases are an increase in previously reported respiratory infections or if they are linked to different incidents. The Indian Health Ministry clarified that the respiratory diseases in children are commonly reported and no identification of unusual or unexpected causative factors has been made. Discussions at a recent high-level meeting emphasized India's readiness to handle any emergency related to avian influenza. The WHO has conducted a comprehensive risk assessment indicating a low probability of human-to-human transmission of H9N2 and a low mortality rate in human cases. Increased vigilance and coordination between humans, animals and wildlife are required. The Central Health Ministry is closely monitoring areas with reported cases of H9N2 and respiratory diseases in children in North China. India is considered to be at a low risk compared to areas affected by avian influenza and respiratory diseases in China. Amid media reports of increasing cases of respiratory diseases in children in northern China, the WHO released a statement. Based on the available information, there has been an increase in respiratory disease incidents in China over the past few weeks. The common causes of respiratory diseases in children have been identified and no identification of unusual, infectious or any unexpected causative factors has been made. In October 2023, discussions were held at a high-level meeting led by the Director General of the WHO to assess measures to prevent the spread of avian influenza in human cases in the country. The WHO's overall risk assessment indicates a low likelihood of human-to-human transmissions of H9N2 and the mortality rate in human cases of the reported H9N2 is also low. Strengthening monitoring and improvement in coordination between human, livestock and wildlife sectors have been emphasized. India remains prepared to tackle any public health emergency. The Health Ministry affirms that the country is ready for any form of public health emergency, having strengthened its foundational healthcare infrastructure significantly. The Prime Minister's Ayushman Bharat Yojana is actively preparing healthcare systems at all levels to deal effectively with current and future pandemics and emergencies. India is adopting a comprehensive and unified roadmap for addressing public health challenges, particularly enhancing healthcare capacities and institutions. The health system's experience in dealing with challenging health situations during the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly through the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program (IDSP), has been valuable. For more details, click on our website www.aajkiawaaz.in.